Hey guys, welcome back to Professional Weekenders YouTube channel. Today we're here at Epcot in Walt Disney World in Orlando, Florida, and today we're going to be checking out the brand new show here at Epcot, Luminous, the Symphony of Us. It's gonna be so much fun. It's a brand new show, so make sure you stick around, check it out, hit that subscribe button, and let's go.
Let's go. All right, y'all, like Lewis over here at the good old Epcots. We've been here all day. In case you haven't noticed, we haven't changed our shirts. But we are checking out this show, and we actually just had dinner at Rose and Crown, so we were able to get a pretty up close and front-ish view of the show. So we'll go back in time to let you guys watch the video, and then we'll let you guys know what we thought about it.
And as you guys can tell, there's gonna be a ton of music in this video. Due to YouTube copyright, we're gonna have to chop it. So it's gonna look a little bit jump cutty, and we'll probably have to completely remove it during the show and speed it up. Alright guys, so that was pretty awesome.
Yeah.
A lot of fireworks, a lot of lights. What did you think of it?
It was okay.
It was okay.
It was no Epcot Forever. It was no Harmonious, but it was okay.
Yeah, I was gonna say that I did. Yeah, was it Harmonious was the one before this.
Yeah.
Where they had all those giant things out there. They
Yeah.
still got most of that out there.
Bugs.
Yeah, the bugs are crazy.
Yeah.
At least they're not biting, but they're
Yeah.
just like in my ear and whatever. But
In my shirt.
yeah, Harmonious I thought was amazing. It's too bad that they got rid of that one. I think there was a lot of backlash on that one.
People have opinions about how Disney should do
People got-
things.
yeah.
That's fine.
Honestly, I thought Harmonious was great. I thought it was better than this one, but
Yeah, so that being said, here is Lewis with her tips on how to watch the show without the crowds.
right.
Because good luck.
All right, guys, so here are your pro tips for checking out the show. I'd say number one is definitely make sure you get a good spot. If you eat at Rose and Crown around the 8 o'clock time-ish, a little bit before 7:45, something like that, you should be able to eat your dinner, and then they have a private viewing area just for people that ate at that restaurant. So that's a really good tip. You don't have to spend extra for the fireworks dining package. Pro tip number two is if you don't eat at Rose and Crown, make sure that you get your spot picked out early, because it can be a little tough to jockey for position there. Everybody in the whole park is going to go watch this show. Pro tip number three is the show takes place around the entire lake, so there's really no bad spot to see it. You can pick any pavilion, whatever your favorite is or where you happen to be at the time, and you can likely watch it from there. So that's going to do it for today, guys. Remember, hit that subscribe button. Really appreciate it. Really help us out. And with that being said, we're out of here, and we'll see you next weekend.
Bye. And bonus pro tip for you, you cannot see the Epcot sphere from Rose and Crown. Ask me how I know. Couldn't see it the entire time. So if you want to see the sphere, the ball, the Epcot ball, during the nighttime spectacular, go somewhere where you actually can see it, because you can't from Rose and Crown.
Okay.
Fun facts.
For the fireworks and eating package. And today we are going to check out the brand new show here at Epcot, Luminous.
The Symphony of Us.
Pause for break.
Sorry, there's gonna be a bug on the screen. Go ahead.
Luminous, Reflections of Us. Does that sound right?
No, Luminous.
Symphony
the Symphony
of
of Us.
Us.